Good afternoon. Ooh, it's half-term holes. Yay! This will be out on a Tuesday. Yeah, it's not a Tuesday. It's actually a Monday. But you know, editing time and all that. I've got compost bags. No, is that the right word? I'll show you. For all the nasturtiums and everything else that I can just basically get rid of, take it to the council. No coffee today because I've already had 3 cups, so that'll do me for the day. I'm just retrieving my water. Bye. Take care. Well, I hope you're all well. Yeah, I had a blood test at the doctor's because I was feeling, you know when you're not feeling 100%, and it turns out I've got a vitamin D deficiency. So, gonna get some extra strong vitamin D supplements. Oh, cheers everyone. Oh, a bit cold. Right, what to do? Well, because I've got these bags, I'm thinking let's fill them up. And also, I charged my screwdriver, and I did give it a little go on my, you know, those very stubborn screws that I couldn't do the other day, whenever the last vlog was. So yeah, they kind of moved, so that's really good. So I might actually be able to screw that in, which will be amazing, if I can get rid of that little block of wood and all those really stubborn screws that wouldn't come off. Because when I next paint, I'm going to paint that as well to blend in, just cover it with white paint. I'm very low on white paint, to be fair. So maybe tomorrow, I don't know about tomorrow, but maybe soon, I'm definitely going to get the other panel, maybe the day after. And then I'm going to worry about the roof after that. It might be, I did think actually, I'll just show you, that the area that this got wet is the area that I really struggled to reach when I was banging in the roof tacks, fixing other leaks before, and it could be that that's really all that needs doing. When I went away and thought about it for a bit, so it really means clearing that mud pile and getting to that section of the roof before I lay out any money on roof felt or whatever. I'd rather not. I'd rather see if that fixed it before I do anything else. But I've got to get to it. That's the issue. Seedlings are alive. That's good. They really need to be planted out soon, but I think they're still too small. Can't believe it's November soon. I really can't. Shocking. But either way, whatever's going to happen, I'm going to protect them with, what do you call it? Horticultural fleece. Hopefully that works. Right, I think we should go fill these council bags. So I'm going to get you outside. I'm going to keep you on that because I arrived, nobody was here. 10 minutes later, and near neighbour arrived. So it's half term. It's going to, yeah, I don't know. I don't even know what the time is because I've forgot my watch. I think it's just gone, it's around 1:30 in the afternoon. So yeah, let's go outside and clear away all those nasturtiums. It will leave me, because that's the beds I want to put the raspberries, move the raspberries to. So that's all progress. See you outside. Okay, just showing you what I've done. I mean, I don't know, you could probably see the nasturtium seeds, but you know what, I'm not going to actually worry too much. So most of the nasturtium has gone all over there. I just got that bit. The cucumber needs clearing. Has anyone ever saved seeds from cucumbers? What do I need to do? Oh, look at this as well. Oh, look at that cluster of snails. Wow. And there. How weird is that? Okay. Back to the shed. There you go. 3 council bags, oh, four council bags filled up. I actually had one here. I didn't realise. Oh, 2 here. I thought I had only 1. Oh, that was hard work. Oh my God. Whew. I am unfit, but well, hopefully working every day at the allotment, most days, 5 days out of 7, will be better than not doing anything at all. Yeah, let me put you down, because the next, hold up. Oh man, I'll have a drink. Oh, it's warm. I've warmed up. It wasn't cold, but it was not pleasant, but just a little bit, you know, you need a scarf, a cardigan, but I'm actually really hot now. Right, let's deal with these stubborn screws. You should see my trousers. I'll just hang this up. Whoa. Right. Where did I put that? A bit of cardboard underneath that, I think, to help protect it. The workbench. I mean, the workbench is a little bit, well, it's been roughed up, but you know, it's an allotment shed, it's fine. I don't know if you can see my trousers from there. Really bad. Okay, right. Can you see? Well, I'll show you my trousers. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, got muddy. Well, it's a sign I did some work. So, right. This hopefully will. Oh, I need my glasses on. Excuse me. Just a creature. I'd loosened that one earlier. I don't know if you even saw that. Right, this one. I think I loosened this one a bit earlier when I was testing it. Come on. wonder, oh, you're not seeing this, sorry. I'm just twisting off the bottom bit of wood off that screw that I'm struggling with at the moment. Stick it there. Okay, that's progress. Yeah. Whoa. This is the only screwdriver I've got, which is inadequate to say the least, but right, I got it on. that screw there is still sticking out lots, but I think if I get another tool from home, I might be able to get that out, because it's, but you know, it's progress, because it's really solid, 2 big screws, and then when I paint the second coat on that, I'm just going to carry on and just go over. Yeah, so it's massive improvement, really is. I might put a 3rd screw there actually, just for stability and all that kind of stuff. I'm really pleased though, look at that. Tools can be hung up now, which is great. Might as well use that screw while it's there. Yeah. Oh, see that? Bent under the weight of it, but still. Brilliant. In fact, maybe we can get some of the other ones up. Let's have a look. It would be brilliant to be able to use these. I'll show you. Tool hanger hooks. Oh, I want to paint it first before I do that. Oh. Getting ahead of myself. Not the first time. Leave them and I'll do that when it's painted. Very good though. Well, I think that's me done. I could paint, but I think that's enough for today because I'm bushwhacked. Come back tomorrow and I'll paint, because I really want to buy the extra panel, but I'm going to have to do that not tomorrow but the next day. Yeah. Well, fantastic. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Look, I'm really pleased. I can't believe it's up, albeit with a few modifications. I think, is it a small, I can't remember the tool that I need, but I know the tool, but I can't remember the name of it. So anyway, thanks very much everybody, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.